Hello friends, welcome back to this session. So in this session, we are going to see another more interactive project with the Gen AI. So let's see what is the topic for today. So today we are going to build a project where we using the Gen AI, which created tools which basically create a resume with the Flask and the LLA-MA3. And our function is basically we will take the input from the user that can be used the different custom prompt also. So user can give the prompt also, and that will take with the high rich UI, and that will generate your web-based resume. We will also try to understand that download part, so we can enable the configuration where it will add a button of the download. So let's see, we can download the Word and PDF format. So let's go. So right now I'm in my VS Code. I'll just go through the app.py, so that the main code logic written the app.py will go through the details. So basically we are using the Gork API, and that basically we have to see how Gork API can connect. So you have to create a Gork API key, and that key API key you have to pass here, and we'll take some inputs from the user like name, email ID, post, skills, and professions, and we'll also taking the custom prompt. So the basically using the custom prompt we can create a internal the request with the Gork, and that will generate a resume prompt, and that will create the output will convert in the parsing, and that will generate your final resume. Here we are using the model, the LLA MA3, and that is a Gork model. So we are using this model, and the rest is our main logic. The passing the resume.html that will create. I will let me go through the all the files here. So index.html that will prompt your the main file where you are taking the input of your code, where you are taking how you are taking the input from the user. This is the index.html that will base your landing page. Resume.html that will load your resume, and that will also give the download options, though that will also be see. You run this requirement, so plus Gork and the Python doc and the PDF kit, so that will use for the download PDF. So you have to enable the virtual environment, so that will easily install in your Windows based system. So let me run my project now. So I'm just running the app.py, so that will run our main code here. So once that app.py will run, we can go through the browser, and it will show here the what URL we should open. So it started running. You can see it's open the 127.0.0.1 5000 port. You can just over here and just click where follow the link. So once you click on the URL, it will open your resume builder app. Here you can see this is our app which is created here, and you can see this way it's give the very high rich UI, and you can take the input like full name, email address, mobile number, profession, skills, experience, and if you want to give any custom instruction. Okay, let me give some instruction here. I'm just taking the some name here. I'm just giving the Manoj here, test at the test.com. Here we are taking 1 2 3. We are taking the IT. Let's give the full stack development experience. I'm just giving the 2 years, and let me give the some custom prompt. Make a professional resume. So I just given the custom instruction here. I'm just creating the generate resume. Okay, let me create here generate resume. So that will, you can see it's created here the resume. You can see your resume has been created here, and you can download with the PDF. I'm just here, you can see the PDF download and the Word download, both option is here. See, you can edit and you can make your details also, but this is the basic configuration. And let me download and click here. So you can see the download also works. This is the completely PDF format here. Okay, so we can how we can move forward this project actually. So our goal is not to have the showcase only the project. Our goal is to you also involved with this project. I'm going to share the GitHub URL and details, so you can contribute here, and our goal is let's work together so we can make some good learning, and we can also get the proud. So you also start involving here, and you do your contribution, you run this project, and once you run this project, start to implementing some more features like you expand this UI, you take some more input, like experience based, like someone fresher want to do, so that kind of things you try to make as much as the customization. So this will make to you very good learning here. And I think that's all for this project. We'll meet again, and this is the series of the different projects, live projects, so all people will get learns lots of here. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and thank you.